So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can actually convert your USDT to Ton coin. So you have to ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. I'm going to basically teach you two ways on how you can actually do that. So ensure you actually follow up as I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that. So the first method that is very simple is to actually make sure you actually fund your account. Maybe you actually do P2P, so you can come to P2P over here. Maybe you are from Nigeria and P2P is actually allowed in Nigeria. So you are going to buy USDT using your Naira. As you can see, to this rate is about 1,664 Naira. So you can actually buy USDT, then you are going to follow up with what we are going to do next. So after you are getting your USDT, you are going to go back, then come over to this trade option, come over to the trade option over here. So as you can see, you are going to search Ton inside the search bar. Click on this search bar, then you are going to type in Ton from the search bar. So you are going to trade USDT for Ton. So as you can see, you are going to click on this first one, which is Ton/USDT. So click on it and you are going to actually buy Ton coin using your USDT. So let's assume that I'm buying like 5 USDT. So I'm going to enter the order value, which is the USDT option over here. So I'm going to click on 5. As you can see, I'm going to be getting 0.84 Ton. So then click on buy. So this is the first method of how you can actually convert your USDT to Ton coin on Bybit exchange. So the second method that I actually use that is very simple and very fast, so you don't need to trade anything. So you have to come over to your asset over here, click on asset over here. This method is kind of very easy and very faster, so it's very simple for a complete beginner. So you have to click on this conversion, click on conversion over here. So as you can see, you are going to convert your USDT to Ton coin. So you are going to actually click on this particular conversion. Click on this particular conversion. As you can see, we have USD on the top because we want to convert USD to Ton coin. So we already have USD over here. So you are going to come to this particular tool, then you are going to choose Ton coin. So I'm going to click on it once, click on it, and you are going to search for Ton from the search bar. So search for Ton. This one is kind of very straightforward and very easy. So you are going to click on this Ton coin. So you are going to enter the amount of USDT you want to convert to Ton. So this one is kind of very straightforward and very easy. So you have to do right now is to enter the amount of USDT that I want to convert to Ton. So you are going to click on this particular USDT option, click on it, then you are going to enter. So I'm going to enter 5 USDT. So while entering 5 USDT, I'm going to be getting 0.84 Ton inside my wallet. So I believe this is a good way of starting. So I'm going to click on get a quote to actually show you how it is being done. So as you can see, 5 USDT, and I'm going to be getting 0.84 Ton. So I'm going to click on confirm. As you can see, it has 0 transaction fee. So I will actually encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel because like I'm actually showing you step by step of how you can actually make all this transaction. So you have to ensure you subscribe, and if you have any feedback about my video, you can actually drop it inside the comment section below. So as you can see, conversion completed. Then if you go back to asset, let's click on the view asset, you are going to see that there's a recent transaction of tons. As you can see, we have BTC, we have USDT, and we have Ton. So I'm going to click on Ton to show you the recent transaction history. So as you can see, this is transaction history. So I'm going to click on this option over here, which is the history, to show you how it is being done. So okay, I think this is P2P, and this is supposed to be, let me check all transaction to show you. So as you can see, conversion of Ton, I actually got 0.84 Ton inside my Ton coin. I hope this video actually help you out. If you do, let me know in the comment section below so that I will know how am I going to improve on the next video that I'm going to publish on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.